Hello everyone! So a few months ago I had bought a blue MorphSuit as a base for my classic katana from Mortal Kombat 2 cosplay, which worked out really well in the end, but I didn't realize that there was a huge decal on the back of the suit. On the one hand, I totally understand the free advertising and what have you, but obviously for cosplay purposes it doesn't work. So today I'm going to show you how to remove the decal from a MorphSuit. The first thing I did was I folded up an old towel and placed it in the inside of the suit just to protect the surrounding fabric. Better safe than sorry. So to remove the decal, you are going to need 100% acetone, the kind that removes acrylic nails, gel nail polish, regular nail polish. You can find this online, of course, but you can also go to a beauty supply store or anywhere that sells nail polish remover. They should have it for you there. You're also going to need some cotton rounds. So what you're going to do is saturate the decal in the acetone and wait for the vinyl or adhesive of the decal to loosen up and dissolve. You're then going to use your finger to work backwards in helping to curl up and lift the decal off of the suit. Stretching the fabric also helps to loosen and peel up the decal. Patience is a virtue. This is a process. Now I recommend doing this in sections because acetone evaporates pretty quickly, and I found that using the cap itself of the acetone bottle worked out really well as far as giving me enough to work with at a time. Acetone also has a bit of a harsh smell, so make sure that when you're working with it that you have a fan on or the window open or you're working in a space with good ventilation. So you'll notice that after you lift the decal itself that there is some, I guess, for lack of a better word, black residue left behind. So to remove that, of course, I used the acetone, saturating in small sections. Then I used the cotton rounds to buff in a circular motion, applying as much pressure as needed. Again, patience is a virtue. It's gonna take a few minutes. Of course, for best results, you want to remove as much of that decal as possible. From here, all you have to do is throw your MorphSuit into the washing machine. There are specific instructions on the packaging. You want to use either a hand wash setting or the most gentle setting you have, and with cold water. Once it's done washing, you want to hang it up, let it air dry completely, then bam! There you go, a decal-free MorphSuit. It looks like nothing was ever there to begin with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. And subscribe to my channel, Tara for Your Wellness, for more videos like this and other fun things. Until next time, please take care and stay well. Bye!